Good day, everybody. How are you all doing? Today, we are going to talk about types of data. So, I'll share my computer screen with you. For those of you who have not met me before, I have a channel where you have lots of math problems solved. You have thermo, you have chemistry. I have problems of all kinds, finance problems solved. So please check out my channel and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. And please let YouTube know that you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video, which I do almost every day. So today we are going to talk about types of data. So these are our objectives. So the first objective is to understand the structure of a typical data set. So the data set is consists of information which is in the center circle. The data is collected on individuals. Information is collected on individuals. Information is same as data. The characteristics of the individuals about which we collect information are called variables because they vary from person to person. The values of the variables that we obtain are data or pieces of information. The information collected is called a data set, such as the mean age of the students in a sample of 50 students. That will be a data set. Distinguish between qualitative and quantitative variable. Qualitative variables classify into two categories. Which of the following are qualitative and which are quantitative? A person's age, this is quantitative because it tells us how much time has elapsed since the person was born. So age is quantitative. Person's place of birth is qualitative. It includes categories such as New York, Atlanta, etc. Mileage of a car is measured by the odometer. So this variable is quantitative because it tells how many miles a car will go. Or here they're talking about miles per gallon, how many miles a car will go on a certain amount of gasoline. Color of car, on the other hand, is category. So it's qualitative because it consists of categories of different colors. So it is qualitative. Categorize either the following as qualitative or quantitative. Number of patients, quantitative. Model of car is category qualitative. Name of your favorite song, category qualitative. Seating capacity of an auditorium in number is a quantitative variable. Distinguish between ordinal and nominal variables. Ordinal variables have a natural ordering. These are we are talking about qualitative variables. Remember categorical variables, category only, no numbers. Out of them, they can be divided in two categories. One is ordinal variables, where there is some kind of natural ordering, and nominal variables do not have a natural ordering. Okay, this is again two kinds of qualitative variable. Which of the following are ordinal and which are nominal? State of residence, there is no order, so it is nominal. Gender variable is nominal because there is no natural ordering. Letter grade in a class, of course, there is an order, so it is ordinal. A, B, C, D, F. Size of a soft drink, small, medium, large, extra large, order, so it's ordinal. Check your understanding category is nominal or ordinal. Names of towns in a city, in a town, no order, so it's nominal. Movies are rated on a scale, so it is ordinal, order. Winners of gold, silver, and bronze medal, this is also order, so it's ordinal. Distinguish between discrete and continuous variables. So what is a discrete variable? Possible values can be listed. These are in case of quantitative variables, two kinds of quantitative variable, discrete variable and continuous variable. Continuous variables the possible values can be any value in some interval. So discrete variables are listed such as number of brothers and sisters. Continuous variables can any value in an interval. Example, which of the following is discrete and which are continuous? Age of a person at their last birthday in years, so it's discrete. The variable is discrete because the person's age at their birthday can be listed. Note, there is no decimal value involved here. Height of a person is continuous because it is measured and can take any value in an interval, such as between 5 feet and 6 feet. Number of siblings a person has, numbers of brothers and sisters, you list or count, starts from 0, then 1, no decimal value is possible, so it's discrete. Distance a person commutes to work, measured by the odometer of the car, is a continuous variable because distance can take any value in an interval. Categorize each of the following as discrete or continuous. Number of female members of the US House of Representatives, it's a whole number, so it's discrete. The amount of water used by a household during a given month measured by a meter is continuous. Number of stories in an apartment building listed, so discrete. Person's body temperature, on the other hand, is measured by a thermometer, can take any value in an interval such as between 98 and 99. Normal body temperature is 98.4 Fahrenheit. Distinguish between ratio and interval levels of measurement. So now we are talking about quantitative variables can be categorized as having ratio or interval level of measurement. Ratio means level of measurement. Zero means absence of quantity and ratios are meaningful. Interval level of measurement. Zero does not mean the absence of quantity and ratios are not meaningful. Differences are meaningful and however. So in ratio, zero means absence. In uh, interval level, zero does not necessarily mean absence of the quantity being measured. Example, which of the following variables are at interval and which are at the ratio level of measurement? Number of siblings a person has. So here, zero has a meaning. So it's ratio. The level of measurement is ratio. Zero sibling means absence of siblings, and four siblings means twice as many as two. So ratio level of measurement. Outdoor temperature in degrees Celsius. The level of measurement is interval. The temperature 0 degrees Celsius does not mean represent the absence of heat. The year of the next presidential election level of measurement is interval of 4 years. The year 0 does not mean beginning of time. Price of a pair of shoes, level of measurement is ratio. A price of $0 indicates that the shoes cost no money. Also, $100 price is twice as much as $50 price. Check your understanding, categorize each of the following as being at interval or ratio level of measurement. The year you started measurement is, of course, interval level of measurement. You cannot take ratio of years. Your age in years, however, is ratio because if you're 14, another person is 28, the other person is twice as much as the first person. The time that your class starts, again, an interval, you cannot take ratio of time. Price of a loaf of bread, however, is in ratio. Usually money is measured in ratio levels. Okay. So this is the end of this section. If you have any question, comment, please do not hesitate to write me a comment. I look forward to reading your comments and I try to answer each and every comment as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button on the bottom right corner and bottom right corner. And please do not forget to watch me next time tomorrow when I'm back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.